We have the formula for integration by parts. Now we want to look at how exactly we apply this formula. So we know we have the product of two functions here, x and e to the 2x. So what we can do is let u equal x, and then if we let e to the 2x dx equal dv, we can start with those as our initial two substitutions. Taking the derivative of both sides here, we'll get du equals dx, and then integrating both sides here, we'll get v equals 1/2 e to the 2x. And that's again using sort of that shortcut formula where the integral of e to the ax is 1 over a e to the ax. So we're letting u equal x, and then the rest of this integral problem becomes dv. Take the derivative of u to get du. We integrate dv to get a substitution for v. So now what we have is, again, that formula u times v. So we need x times 1/2 e to the 2x. So this is u times v minus the integral of v, which is going to be 1/2 e to the 2x times du, which is dx. So again, all we're doing is just following this formula, u times v minus the integral of v du. This is just some basic algebra to potentially simplify, or in this case, just possibly rewriting the order here. So this is 1/2 x times e to the 2x, and now we can look at integrating this portion. So pulling out that constant multiple, this is 1/2 times the integral of e to the 2x dx. So we get 1/2 x e to the 2x minus 1/2 times the integral of e to the 2x. Again, we can use that shortcut for integrating exponential functions. This is going to be times 1/2 e to the 2x is the integral of e to the 2x plus some constant c. And I've put this entire thing in brackets because we're substituting this entire expression. Or I'm sorry, we're subtracting is what I mean to say, this entire expression. So this will be 1/2 x e to the 2x minus 1/4 e to the 2x minus c when we distribute that subtraction across. Now the interesting thing here to take note of, or interesting subtle thing to take care of, is this is a perfectly correct answer. And so is this. The only thing that's different about these is whether we're adding or subtracting c. And it really doesn't matter because c is just some arbitrary constant. So whether we're adding it, subtracting it, doesn't actually change that final answer. So even though we're subtracting this entire second expression, we can still write this as minus 1/4 e to the 2x plus some constant c, because that minus or plus is really irrelevant there.